So as you guys know, I've had, if you've been following me for some time, I've had an Invisalign journey. So that was my dentist in Chennai, and then I also had a dentist in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, where I used to get like my mouth guard done. I used to do my teeth whitening and things like that. Now that I'm back in London, I was looking for a dentist and I found one. Happens to be Harley Street, which is a very nice place, very nice clinics. Anyway, so I came in last week actually for a consultation, and I had x-rays, scans, the whole shebang done. And today I'm going back to get my teeth cleaned and whitened, and also get a consultation of like how I can improve my smile. Sitting on the chair ready to get my teeth cleaned, and I also got the trays, whitening trays, which I will be doing at home. So I'll show you guys exactly how to use it and what the difference is from getting it done in the clinic as opposed to, you know, doing it at home, I guess. I'm not gonna lie, that was by far the most thorough clean I've ever had in my life. Like, I think my teeth look pretty good, and I can't wait to start the whitening treatment as well. But back at home, so I'm gonna do this in front of you guys. So this is basically my whitening strip. So they took I should really ask for all the terms, but anyway, they imprint, whatever. But yeah, anyway, so this is to match my teeth. So this is the bottom one, and it sits super comfortably, and I can talk the exact same way. Maybe the T and the S is a bit of a struggle, but anyway, so what I'm meant to do is wear these for 4 hours straight for 2 weeks. So I've got the 10% carbamide peroxide for the first week, and then I'm supposed to have the 16 for the second week. And it depends how yellow your teeth are actually. I don't think my teeth are that yellow, but they are stained, which you might not believe me. You know, I'm not telling you to go and do this. I'm just saying, I'm giving you a difference, because if you have watched my YouTube videos, and there are others, you know, I've been to a dentist in, like I said, in Chennai. I've been to a dentist in Malaysia, because it was really easy for me. I was traveling to Chennai all the time, so I got my Invisalign done there first, and then found a dentist in Malaysia, because it was just easier for me to do like all my regular checkups and cleans and things like that. Now, 4 years later, I'm back in London, and I just wanted not just a standard dentist that, you know, who I grew up with, but just like somebody who can do a little bit more in terms of like treatments, because I just knew that, you know, I had the chips, I have like, you know, grinding issues, you know, alignment, or just anything cosmetically, I guess you do have to sort of look for the right kind of dentist. So, yeah, like I found Harley Street, and it's a big deal having a Tamil doctor at Harley Street, man. That's pretty impressive, and it's such a proud moment. So yeah, so Dr Jana is my dentist. And yeah, so we had the teeth cleaned. We're obviously doing the whitening. So after 2 weeks, I'm actually getting something done called Composite Bonding. So it's going to cover all the cracks that I have at the top and at the bottom. They did give me loads of different solutions, and one thing I didn't want to do is Invisalign again. I've done it for like 2-3 years, and I feel like, you know what? I'm happy. I'm okay with the way my teeth are. I think it still gives me a natural look. I don't want it, you know. To be honest though, I was a bit lazy. I didn't wear it properly. I would have probably had much better alignment than I have right now, but I'm okay with it. And so I kind of didn't want to do Invisalign again. So then I thought, yeah, like this might be a better solution. Okay, so last time we were at A1, and what do you reckon?
So yeah, we've definitely gone lighter. I think we can go a bit more lighter. Let's check the different shades. So this is the B1. Go a little bit lighter than B1. Let me check the bleach shades. Maybe that. Yeah, this is a desired shade to get you through to B or to E. Not too far away from that.
So at least it's a little bit better. I could have done better, but yeah. So here I am with my dentist, Dr. Jana, and what are we gonna do with my teeth?
Okay, so with Vithya's teeth, we discussed a few different treatment options, and the one Vithya decided to do was hygiene, whitening, and then it's going to do a bit of composite bonding on her upper teeth and her lower teeth, just to make it a little bit more symmetrical, just that Hollywood subtle smile that she deserves.
I think I already have it. No, I'm joking. I did have a lot of little cracks, I guess, right? Like,
of course, Vithya's got a stressful job, so with that stress sometimes at night time.
And the bobby pins in the teeth, I'm never going to be doing that as well. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much for having me here, and I'm just going to take you guys with me on the journey while I'm doing the composite bonding, and what happens after, how to take care of it and everything as well. So I will put all the information in the captions, in the description box, so you can contact him whenever you want.
Thank you so much.
Another day, I'm back at Harley Street, about to go to my dentist to get composite bonding done. It's apparently a super long procedure, so I'm just like crossing the road while I'm recording this, but it's a super long procedure, so I'm really curious. I've never had anything done like that before, and I've never heard of anyone that's done anything like that before, so I'll take you guys with me.
Today is you've already got an amazing smile.
Thanks. You have to say it. He's saying it for the camera, guys. No, I'm joking.
Just going to tidy it up a little bit. So we've got some worn down edges just through grinding your teeth. So we're just going to build them back up a little bit again. And just
so exciting.
So over here, it's going to build this up very, very slightly, and then just contour it all and make it all look really good. What we have.
Yeah, I can't even imagine what it's gonna look like. It's crazy.
I've got some models. I'll show you.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys. So this is what my teeth look like at the bottom currently. I know it's a weird picture, but anyway, so this is the model. So can you guys see how it looks even? Oh my god, this is so exciting. So this is what they're gonna try and attempt by like getting my teeth to look even at the bottom. So this is my before. Let me try and zoom. Okay. Turns out that I have to have another session. I don't know if you can see already my bottom teeth. They look straight and even. So I'm gonna get them done at the top as well in a few days. I sat in that chair for like 2 hours, bruh. Like, man, I mean, I applaud dentists who have the patience to do this. It wasn't at me, it was at another driver. I mean, but yeah, as I was saying, can't wait for the next session. Another day. I feel like today I don't look as glam as I usually do when I go to the dentist. It's just, it's a very early appointment and I could just about do the lipstick, but anyway. So last time I had my lower tooth, the composite bonding done. Obviously hasn't been completed. So then well, it's not obvious, it does actually look really good, so he's gonna still fix it. And then somebody just walked past and said 7 grandchildren. Anyway, sorry, lost my train of thought. So now I'm gonna do the top one, and yeah, let's not die before I get my teeth done. Yeah, so I'm going to get composite bonding for the top done, and Jana's going to sort of continue the bottom as well. He's not happy with it, so he wants to still fix it. I think it looks freaking amazing, but I love that he's so professional and he wants to, you know, he wants to do it until he's like fully satisfied. So then I guess, you know, shouldn't have expected anything less. Okay guys, this is really cool. So I've got these headphones and I'm gonna watch a movie. I'm actually gonna watch a horror while I'm getting my teeth done. So Jana just told me don't jump while you're getting your composite bonding done, but yeah. Yeah, this is so cool. So here I am again with Dr. Jana. Part 2. I'm gonna sit here for like a long time, I think. So guys, we're finally having a look. So this was me before. This was my bottom teeth, top, and then look at the transformation. I mean, look. If you can't see it, then I can see it. Look at that. This is probably, I think my lower teeth were my biggest problem. That looks so good. And what I love about it, it's like, yeah, you see the transformation, but it still looks really natural. And it looks soft, because I remember you were talking about the whole feminine thing as well. Like there's a way of doing composite bonding where it can still look quite girly and cute, and that's what I wanted. This is so... Right, so, ta-da! So we did loads, as you saw in my vlog. And these are finally complete. And I think they look freaking amazing. To be honest, I actually never thought my teeth were bad, ever. The only thing that bothered me was the crowding. So since I was a young girl, I had a lot of crowding. They had to remove loads of teeth and I had braces for a really long time. So this composite bonding, you know, with like minimal, like there was literally no shaving of your teeth or anything. I was quite impressed that you had this kind of option. The only thing I asked Dr. Jana was that I do like whitening my teeth, and I do them quite a bit. And sometimes with composite bonding or veneers, like it's really hard to whiten those because they don't really change color, but then your teeth would. So imagine you have a little bit of composite bonding that's like super white, but then your natural teeth get yellow, you know, stains from food, from so many things. And so he made sure he made them look as natural and as minimal as possible on my teeth, so that when I do you know, whitening treatments, they will be completely fine. So I'm really grateful for that. I guess I was lucky that it worked for me. It might not for somebody else, but you know, obviously you speak to your dentist about it. But I'm a very happy client, and yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this journey, watching all my little appointments, and how I went from, you know, the before to the after. And obviously if you have any questions, you can contact Dr. Jana or Harley Street Dental yourself. You can ask me a few questions as well. Not that I know anything about dentistry. All I know, you know, is very, very basic. But if you have been following me on YouTube for a really long time, you would have seen a lot of vlogs that I have done about dental hygiene, and just generally teeth has been such a big thing for me since I was young. My parents, you know, couldn't afford a dentist when they grew up in Sri Lanka, and they didn't have a clue how to look after their teeth. And, you know, they both struggle and have spent, I'm telling you, a lot of money trying to fix their teeth. So they were very, very particular about me and my sister getting my teeth done from a young age. They were very particular about us, you know, looking after it, going to dental appointments. And I'm really grateful that I learned that from my parents. So I'm hoping to kind of inspire people to do the same thing, because everything else you can sort of temporarily fix, but teeth is like such a huge thing, and you don't want to make, you know, bad choices or regret when you're in your 50s or your 60s. And I feel like I'm trying to inspire people to just go get yourself checked. You don't have to do cosmetic things, of course, but at least go get them checked and get them cleaned, and, you know, just look after them as much as you can, and as much, you know, of course, whatever you can afford. But yeah, hope this helped. Thank you. Bye.